Hi, I'm Chef Pranori.
Hi, I'm Chef Fern. Today we're gonna show you how to make Thai green curry with chicken. This Thai eggplant is crunchier than the purple eggplant. It's the traditional to use the green one. Thai eggplant is seasonal for spring and summertime. Usually in Thailand, we slice it like this if we use chicken breast, but the authentic one, usually we use the whole chicken with the bone.
These are the ingredients to make green curry paste. To start the paste, I'm gonna toast the seed. I start cooking since maybe 12. I learned from my dad and my mom because my dad and my mom is a chef. I love to make my own curry because it's more tasty and I like it fresh and the smell is very good. If you cannot find the fresh ingredient or you don't want to make it, you can find the green chili paste at Thai market or the local grocery. If you make the green curry, you're gonna choose only green chili. If you make the red curry, I put the red chili. In Thailand, green curry is more popular. If it's not spicy, it's not curry. Green curry paste is a lot of work. Normally, I make just one time and a lot. You can take a little bit for make the curry, and if you have some left, you can keep it in refrigerator and can make another dish next time.
The traditional curry, we don't add basil oil, so the color is lighter. My recipe, we use basil oil to make the curry look more green. In the past, Thai people, when they cook the curry, they just use the chili paste and water. But then 100 years later, they start using coconut milk to make a curry. So I think that time when the green curry starts. Coconut milk, it can make curry more creamy and richer in the flavor and sweeter. So it has more flavorful than using water. We are from Phuket, the southern part of Thailand. And it is our dream that to open a restaurant, Thai restaurant in USA. Right now we have Love to Eat restaurant, and in total we have 3 restaurants in Los Angeles. Thai culture, we're sitting together and we eat together. We have all the dish in the middle of the table and we share all the food that we eat with rice. It's different part from Thailand. Like Hat Yai fried chicken is from the southern part. Papaya salad is from northeast of Thailand. Green curry is from central. So it's kind of mix everything together. Yummy.
อร่อยมากค่ะ
Oh, yes!